Imagine having your own AI avatar that walks, talks, and gestures, completely for free. Whether you want to start a faceless YouTube channel, create engaging social media content, or just experiment with AI, this video will show you everything, step by step. In this tutorial you'll learn how to generate an AI avatar for free, how to animate it to talk, blink, walk, and move naturally using AI tools, how to add realistic AI voiceover and lip sync for free. Get my free Google Docs prompts to make your own avatar today. Before generating the avatar image, let's get a detailed AI avatar prompt using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and enter this ChatGPT prompt. Generate a highly detailed and customizable AI avatar image prompt optimized for AI image generators like Leonardo AI, Bing AI, and similar tools. The prompt should allow users to tweak key details such as gender, age, eye color, hairstyle, skin tone, outfit, accessories, pose, background, camera angle, and lighting. Ensure the prompt is structured to fit different styles, including realistic, semi-realistic, Pixar style, and anime. Format the response in a structured and tweakable way, making it easy for anyone to adjust specific elements for their desired avatar appearance. Once ChatGPT generates the prompt, customization tips: change hair color, outfit, or background to match your branding. Try different camera angles, e.g., close-up for engaging facial expressions. Copy it and use it in Leonardo AI or Bing Image Creator to create your avatar. Best AI tools for image generation. Leonardo AI, best for cinematic realism. Bing AI, best for fast, free, and high-quality image generation. MidJourney, best for artistic style. We'll be using Bing AI. Unlike many AI image generators that require a subscription, Bing AI Image Creator is completely free. It only requires an email sign-up and provides 15 free credits daily. But don't worry about the small credit. You can regenerate images as many times as you want without using additional credits. I'll show you exactly how in a moment. We'll be using a detailed prompt from ChatGPT to generate high-quality images in Bing AI. Copy and paste the prompt into Bing AI. Click Generate. Each generation costs just 1 credit and produces 4 images. Wait a few seconds and your images will be ready. Bing AI generates detailed, vibrant, and sharp images when given a well-structured prompt. Once you get your images, select the one you like best. Go to Resize Picture. Click Landscape. This is the correct size for YouTube videos. Bing AI will resize the image accordingly. You can repeat this process as many times as needed, without using extra credits. Isn't that amazing? AI tools for image animation. Hailuo AI, Kling AI, HeyGen. I'll be using Hailuo AI for this tutorial. Hailuo AI has a free plan available. It requires an email sign-up and provides 1,100 free credits when you first sign up. Choose the image to video option. Import your AI avatar into the animation tool. Use my free Google Docs prompts for talking animation, lip sync and head movements, blinking and facial expressions, sitting to standing and walking animation. Get the full prompt list in my Google Docs, link in the description. Select 12v01, Director New for the best cinematic results. Click Generate and wait. This may take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on your subscription plan. Hailuo AI delivers incredible results. You'll be amazed at how powerful this AI is, and best of all, it's free to use. Best AI tools for voiceovers. 11 Labs Minimax AI MF AI. For this tutorial I'll be using Minimax AI. Go to Minimax AI and sign up with your email. You'll receive 4,000 free credits on your first sign up. Type your script into Minimax. Select a voice and adjust pitch/tone. Generate and download the audio file. Pro tip: use slight variations in pitch and tone to make your AI voice sound more human. AI tools for lip sync. Kling AI, Dreamface, Pixverse, HeyGen. I'll be showing you how to use both Dreamface and Pixverse. Open the Dreamface app. Quick video lip sync. Upload your avatar video made with Hailuo AI. Click Add Script. Type your script or import your AI-generated audio file from Minimax. Click Animate and wait a few moments. Your video is ready. See the amazing results with perfect lip syncing.
Imagine having an AI avatar that talks, moves, and creates content for you. Sounds unreal? Want to make stunning AI videos without showing your face? On this channel, I'll show you how to use AI to create viral content effortlessly. Stick around. Let's turn automation into success. If you love AI automation, hit like and subscribe for more tips. Let's create and grow with AI.
Go to Pixverse and sign up with your Google account. You'll receive 160 free credits. Click Speech. Upload your avatar video made with Hailuo AI. Type your script under 200 lines, or import your AI-generated audio file from Minimax. Click Create. Wait a few moments, and your perfectly lip-synced video is ready.
Imagine an AI avatar that talks, moves, and creates content for you. Sounds unreal? I'll show you how to make viral AI videos without showing your face. Stick around, hit like and subscribe.
Check this out. Our AI avatar is fully animated, talking and even gesturing naturally.
So, you want an AI avatar that talks, moves, and works for you? Smart. No cameras, no stress, just pure automation. I'll show you how to bring your AI persona to life, step by step. Whether you're here to build a faceless brand or just have fun with AI, you're about to unlock something powerful. Stick around, hit like, and subscribe.
Avatar that talks, moves, and works for you? No cameras, no stress, just pure automation. I'll show you how to bring your AI persona to life step by step. Stick around, hit like and subscribe.
The lip sync? Spot on. The animation? Smooth. But there's one catch. Watermarks. Now, if you're using the free plan, they're unavoidable. If you're on a paid plan, you won't have to worry about them. But here's the thing. Not everyone wants to jump straight into a subscription. So if you want a simple way to remove watermarks from your AI videos, let me know in the comments. If enough people are interested, I'll put together a full breakdown on how to do it. Either way, the results speak for themselves. AI animation is getting seriously impressive.
You made it to the end? Impressive. Now, go create your own AI avatar. Just don't make him better looking than me. I'll be watching.
Want my exact AI prompts to create your own avatar? Get the free Google Docs link in the description or comment AI avatar below, and I'll send it to you. If you found this video helpful, tap like and subscribe for more AI automation tips.